Why is Rocket Money holding my money? Hook, have you ever wondered why Rocket Money sometimes seems to hold onto your hard-earned cash? It's a question that's perplexed many users, and today, we're diving deep into the reasons behind this perplexing practice. Context: Rocket Money, a popular personal finance app, has risen in popularity for its ability to consolidate bills, track spending, and negotiate better deals. But the app's functionality can sometimes lead to unexpected delays in your funds. Let's explore the primary reasons why Rocket Money might be holding your money. Reason 1: Bill negotiation and payment processing. One of the core features of Rocket Money is its bill negotiation service. When you authorize the app to negotiate your bills, it enters into discussions with your service providers to secure lower rates. This process can take time, and during this negotiation period, Rocket Money may temporarily hold onto your funds to ensure timely payment. Reason 2: Anti-fraud measures. Rocket Money prioritizes security and employs robust anti-fraud measures to protect your financial information. If the app detects any suspicious activity or unusual spending patterns, it may temporarily hold your funds as a precautionary measure. This is to prevent unauthorized transactions and safeguard your money. Reason 3: Pending transactions. Sometimes, there might be pending transactions associated with your Rocket Money account. These could be recurring payments, scheduled transfers, or pending bill negotiations. While these transactions are processed, Rocket Money may hold a portion of your funds to ensure sufficient coverage. Reason 4: Technical glitches or system updates. Occasionally, technical glitches or system updates can cause temporary delays in fund processing. These issues can be frustrating, but they are usually resolved promptly. If you encounter such a problem, reaching out to Rocket Money's customer support can provide clarity and expedite the resolution. Reason 5: Regulatory requirements. Rocket Money operates within a regulated financial environment. To comply with various regulations, the app may need to hold funds for certain periods. This could be due to anti-money laundering measures, tax reporting requirements, or other legal obligations. Understanding the release schedule. Rocket Money typically has a release schedule for funds. This means that there's a specific timeline for when your funds will be released from the app's hold. Understanding this schedule can help you manage your finances more effectively and avoid any unnecessary surprises. Tips for avoiding delays. Provide accurate information. Ensure that all your personal and financial information is accurate and up to date. Inaccurate details can lead to delays in processing. Monitor your account. Regularly check your Rocket Money account to stay informed about any pending transactions or notifications. Communicate with customer support. If you have concerns or questions about your funds, don't hesitate to reach out to Rocket Money's customer support team. They can provide specific information and assistance. Plan ahead. Be mindful of your financial needs and plan accordingly. If you anticipate needing funds for a specific purpose, ensure that you have sufficient funds available in your linked bank account. Conclusion: while Rocket Money can be a valuable tool for managing your finances, it's important to understand the potential reasons for fund holds. By being aware of these factors and following the tips we've discussed, you can minimize delays and maximize the benefits of using the app. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.